Hi guys, it's me again. We will continue our discussion on the anatomy of the brain. Nakahati po yung cerebrum ng apat na bahagi. Tawag dito frontal lobe, occipital lobe, parietal lobe, at temporal lobe. The frontal lobe deals with personality, including one's attitudes and emotions. Parietal lobe interprets language or the way we speak. The occipital lobe interprets color or light as well as movement. And temporal lobe interprets patterns. Our brain, the human brain, consists of neurons. What are the functions of neurons in one's brain? Our neurons sends a command to the muscles and is responsible for the sensory input or the response in a sensory organ. Doon sa pinakaibaba, ito po ay medulla oblongata. It is located between the brain and the spinal cord. It can control vital processes such as heartbeat and breathing. Thank you for listening.